Thina wa hydrocephalus weyumiragia riria mundu agumirwo ni wuingi wa mai hakiri-ini na mai macio macokaga guthii nginyagia munyiginyigi-ini, thina uria ucungagiriria mutwe wa murwaru kuneneha makiria.
Inatoka tu yenyewe.
Kuringana na ataramu a ugima wa mwiri ni ati thina uyu no ukorwo uri wa gifamiri na mwana no aciarwo ari naguo, ona ningi no unyite mundu ari mugima angikuruhana mutino-ini wa barabara.
When the flow is tampered with, then you find that the fluid accumulates and it causes problem. If the fluid is not absorbed the way it's supposed to be absorbed, also then you may have a problem because it will be accumulate and then it will cause problem. Hence we will talk of hydrocephalus.
Grace Kerwa uria ni muikari wa kaunti ya Kiambu ni umwe wanagumirwo ni thina uyu na akahota kuutoria na aratutariria we aciarirwo naguo, no akauga ni thina ahotire kurigitwo na akihona, undu uyu akiuga nduri warigiriria akinyanirie maundu.
Murimu wakwa wamenyekire ndaciarwo uguo, koguo ni ndambiriirie guthiaga thibitari na kurumirira uria ndagitari marauga through aciari akwa tondu tha icio ndiamenyaga.
The reason to this is that the bones have not fused, so there is room for the expansion. So you find that expansion, it makes that the bones tend to open up, so those areas, that's why the head now becomes large.
Ndagitari John Bore murigitani uhigireire hari uthinjani wa mutwe thibitari-ini munene wa Kenyatta, ona kuri uguo ni atutariirie maundu mangi mangicungiriria thina uyu, maria ni hamwe na mwana kugia na nguraro mutwe riria araciarwo, mundu ugumirwo ni murimu wa meningitis, o hamwe na mundu wanakorwo na brain tumor.
Ciana ni cithiaga through a lot before she hotete kana muciari wa mwana uyu kuhota kumenya niki exactly mwana arathie through.
So when you do like an ultrasound, you see the ventricles are either one side are large or it's all of them which are large, and you may see the size of the brain, what kind of brain mantle is left depending on how much pressure has been there into the brain.
Ona kuri uguo maruru ma thina uyu no manyihanyihio kuhitukira uhuthiri wa dawa o hamwe na murwaru gutabanirio motungata ma MRI.
Some of them, if you intervene and do it early, you find that sometimes they tend to improve in terms of their mentation. Even the dementia it's in terms of the way to progress fast tends to now slow down.
Andu mari na thina uyu ona gukiri uguo ni moritio kwaga kwihitha na gwitikira kwiyumiria kwamukira motungata ma urigiti amu ni thina ungirigitika.
The thing which is spared a lot is much of the speech. They tend to be very, in terms of speaking and all that, they are very good, but learning is not there.
Thiete cukuru ta ciana iringi, ngathomera cukuru wa nathari, secondary na college, ngeka maundu maria ciana iria ngiciikaga hatari guthutukania.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.